I think a lot of our gardens are going to be singing because we need this rain. Oh, they're going to be so happy. So you can see, I wanted to show you, even though we showed you the old milk cam a little bit earlier in this hour, I wanted to show it to you again because we're starting to see a little bit of clearing across the Salt Lake Valley right now. We're not done with the rain quite yet. It's just not going to be as widespread as it was earlier this morning. Mid-50s now in Salt Lake City, so it's a chilly start to the afternoon. That's the case all across the Wasatch Front. This is about 30 to 35 degrees cooler than this time yesterday. So we've had two different extremes over the last 24 hours. So you've got those low to mid-50s across the Wasatch Front. Upper 50s in Ogden, 42 in Park City, 61 degrees in Tooele, down in St. George, a little bit more mild, where you've got 87 degrees, 91 right now in Moab. And that's because areas ahead of that cold front are still on the mild side. The cold front hasn't passed through quite yet. And ahead of that front, per usual, you get these strong gusty winds, and we're seeing those winds continue to intensify. That's mainly in our eastern valleys and also far southeastern Utah. You're seeing that in Moab. Those magentas and purple show our strongest wind gusts right now. But behind the front, still seeing some of those showers, even though a lot of those are starting to taper off a little bit. They're not as widespread across the Salt Lake Valley. You can see we're actually getting some sunshine peeking through. Light rain showers through Parley's Canyon right now. And you're also continuing to see kind of a rain and snow mix up in the Cottonwoods. Rain showers in Park City stretching up into Evanston, and then still some pockets of more moderate rain in Eagle Mountain and also Spanish Fork. So we're not done with that rain because that cold front still passing through right now. The storm slides by to the north. It's sent that cold front in, but behind it, you see all that orange and red. That's that high pressure that builds in. So that means the heat is back later this week. So if you're sick of the heat today, we're saying goodbye to it. It's much cooler today compared to yesterday. But let's talk about this afternoon. In northern Utah, we'll continue to see showery and cool weather. So showers are going to be on and off with the chance for some isolated thunderstorms, but we'll continue to see those strong gusty winds through southern and eastern Utah. Once we get past today, we'll get another round of showers tonight. We dry out tomorrow, but we get hot again later this week, and we're talking about that triple-digit heat. But as we go into the afternoon, strongest winds are going to be from Moab down to Blanding, making its way over to St. George into Beaver. It's all those magenta colors. It's going to stick around until tonight, and then those winds will start to die down. We'll be in the upper 60s in Salt Lake. On and off showers today, a little bit cooler, but you are going to get some peaks of sunshine today. So don't be surprised if it starts to look a little bit nicer out there. But again, we could see some of those isolated thunderstorms as well. So it's kind of just an unsettled day. Upper 50s in Park City, down in St. George, mid-90s, so not as cool as what we're dealing with in northern Utah, not as big of a change, I should say, compared to yesterday. You're just about 10 degrees cooler in southern Utah. Low 90s for your Tuesday in St. George. But by the time we get to Wednesday, those temperatures start cranking it up each and every day. By Thursday, it's going to be our hottest day of the week, 106. So we're dealing with some of that dangerous heat again. A bit cooler Friday, but still in the triple digits. This upcoming weekend, though, you're going to get a little bit of relief. By Sunday, low 90s. Still warm, but not as hot as this last weekend. In northern Utah, tomorrow we rebound nicely. You get some sunshine. We'll be in the low 70s, still below our average and on the cooler side, but really not too bad. And then we start to warm up each and every day, mid to upper 70s Wednesday, but you really jump up fast from Wednesday to Thursday, mid to upper 90s. The triple digits are back on Friday. Dag nabbit, Max. I don't want them here quite yet, but this upcoming weekend, we're going to get a little bit of relief. Some showers for your Saturday and Sunday, mid 80s on Sunday.